Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody going today? Pretty good here, I reckon. Well, it's not the warmest day, but it's warmer than it's been. Got the tripod. Well, you know what that means? Up to the shop we go. Gotta go do some maintenance. I call it maintenance. It's maintenance. I know it's maintenance, but I call it maintenance. Gotta, some limbs you gotta get rid of, like that, and that weird looking tree out there. Granny wants to sit down. Like I said in long videos a long time ago, when work's never done, well, it's true. Dumping out today. Didn't have a camera there because I had to go do some other things. Had to do one of those lawn garden torch things with jiggers. Had to do one of them. Had to do some of that today, and easy. Sorry, dog coughing. And had to do some of that and some other stuff. So yeah. And had to do some yesterday. Had to take a deck off the lawnmower because we were going to tear it up, doing what we're doing with it. So it's going to look weird, but it's got to be done. Out there the deck is. It's not the prettiest thing you've ever seen, but it works. Triple blade. You get the sharpening blade thing. Yeah, Anyway, today just going to try to put it up here, the tripod, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Yeah, there we go. Tubes had to get it straightened out. They can't hardly see what I'm doing. Anyway, got chopping this doogie here, and we got some new thing here. I ain't never had one before, I ain't never used one, so I don't know how to use the darn thing. So, this is a guided chainsaw sharpener. It came with this piece of metal and everything. I don't know how to use one of these things. So, I'm going to see it first time. First off, put these big gloves on. Because I am not cutting my hand open. Could be my look I would. Good old mechanics. No, I did not pay $30 for these. I got them off a app called, well, I should say a website called Wish. You got several things from Wish. Pretty good stuff. Of course, it's from China, but it works. But anyway, do some of this nonsense up here so we can see what we're doing. And anyway, I don't know how to use one of these damn things. But like I said, you're going to be the first ones to see it. So, let's get started. I want to say like that, but how the hell is that going down in there? That ain't going to work. Or, I should say that like this. Uh-oh. Then I guess that is how you do it. I don't know. But I ain't going to use this thing. I don't like the way it looks. I can't see what I'm doing. So there goes that part. And I just use the good old standard one. And cut away, cut away, cut away. This need to be sharpened anyway, because I ain't been sharpening in I don't know how long. I hate sharpening chainsaws because it takes so damn forever. So here's where it starts. Okay. They give me one of them automatic ones, so I won't have to worry about this crap. Because I can't never get the frickin' thing in there, right? It's supposed to be guided. This thing's supposed to guide the darn thing. But I don't know. I don't like it, so I ain't using it. And the only thing I don't like about these things is if you put too much pressure on these things right here, they snap right off. And then you have to go buy another one. Which I don't want to go do. Because it costs too damn much. The whole kit thing was $8. $8 with the damn piece of shit. Ugh. I was going to get one of those automatic things that twist like a dribble. But anyway, I wasn't going to pay $34 for it and have to replace the damn things. I thought these right here were in it, like stuck in it, and you could like vibrate or go back and forth, or I don't know what the hell they did. But I looked at it further, you have to replace this stupid little stone thing you put in the damn thing. I said, nope, ain't doing that. Let's see here. That's pretty damn dull, looks like anyway. My hand hurts every time I do this. But it's the only way to sharpen one. Well, only I got to sharpen one, I should say. I got this one. There you go. I couldn't see what I was doing. Got this one, but just a little bit on the too big side. I mean, this one goes right down in there. What it needs to go to, not there, just goes like, I don't know. You don't sit in there, right? Let's see. Okay. But you want to go. Anyway, tubes, we'll get to you and we'll get this done. And we're on the last one. Finally. Got this one left. You see what I'm doing? Sorry. That the one? Or that one? This chainsaw it's so dull looking. Can't tell which is what. I mean, it's not shiny after you've done it, after you've sharpened it, so I can't tell which is done and which is not done. Well, it looks like it's done though. Anyway, I done bent the hell out of this file. Done bent the hell out of it. Let's see, I don't know what I want to do with this. Let's see. Sorry about that. I think I'm just going to stick it up somewhere or something, I don't know. So I'll put it right there. That's done. Let's see if I can maybe get it somewhere over here. And raise this leg up. So we can have a little bit more. There we go. And let's see here. Let's see here. And There you go. Okay. Let's look at some of this stuff right here. Are you looking at it upside down? I don't know what you're looking at. There you go. Okay. But this thing is always too damn tight. It's got some gas in it. And I just spilled my damn oil from my mixture. I just spit the hell out of it, so I ain't got it no more. I don't think we have any in the shed, I mean in the shop. My nose just stopped up, so that's probably what you hear me sound funny for. I don't think we have any. Got enough shit in here though, that's for sure. Let's see. I'll get back to you in a minute. As I thought, we don't have no mixture. But I do have, it's just water and that. But I do have a hillbilly mixture of, oh no, that would be on the tripod here. Of, this. No, it's not Pennzoil. It's got gas in it. I don't know how good it is. We'll see. It sounds pretty dead. But I don't know if you can see it or not. It's blue, so it should do okay. So let's go ahead and fill her up here. Let's see if I can twist this around. So I can, whoop. Fingering away. There we go. Now watch you spill it all over the frickin' place. You don't need much. It's like a drop. Not even a drop. And I need to put some oil in the barn channel, probably. So, oh, and this has been redone also. The fuel line that goes to it has been redone. So that's good. Let's see. Do I have no oil in there? Well, shit. Ain't got no oil, do I? I don't put no used oil in it either. Sad moment when you don't have no oil. I don't have no oil around here. I don't know what that is. I think it might be gas. Or something else. Damn it. I need to go oil shopping. I gotta find me some more oil, damn it. I used to keep oil stocked up pretty damn good. But when I don't use the shop much anymore, I usually don't have to keep oil up here. Because I don't have the big tractor I used to keep. I don't have it no more. So I don't usually keep oil. I found a little bit of high mileage oil, but it's not the best thing to put in your chain oil. I guess I better go get some when I get next check. But oh well. See, ain't got hardly none in the truck. Oh, in the barn oil. Bar chain. Yeah, you get my drift. And there we go. Good old Pennzoil, high mileage from the car, but it's not burnt. It's good. I can't see a damn thing in there. And there it is. Whoa! About overdone her. And this I just threw it down. Why? Because I don't need it no more. And let's see here. Probably going to ooze out. Yeah, of course. I'll let it drain there for a second. I don't think this chain needs to be a little bit tighter. Let's see here. Let's go down and hit back down here to the chain here. If I can get the freaking thing to work right. I don't have a big screwdriver, so I want to use this little bitty freaking thing, like freaking small. But it might work. I don't know. It should. Okay, because you can see it's a little bit too loose for my liking. So, whoa! About to drop the whole damn thing of sockets. That wasn't been too pretty because I ain't picking it up. Let's see. I'm looking for sockets. Yes, I have a chainsaw right somewhere. But I don't know where, because sticky fingers like to come up here and get stuff, so... Damn! Want to do like I did last time, just shove the damn thing on there? That's what it looks like. Oh well. Oh well. Give me it. And if y'all hear log trucks, they're logging up the mountain a little bit. I should say a skid, I should say. Because that's what it is. Whoa, that's too tight. I know it'll loosen itself up, but still. There's that. Give me mine. Give it. There you go. There's that. There's that. Get back in there. Whew. Now the fun part. Get it cranked up. Yeah, it's gonna smoke like a freaking freight train. I just know it's going to. I need to take the resistor on this thing. Make sure it's good and cleaned out. I guess we better do that now. As if I find a freaking socket to fit it. That's too... Oh good lord, that's way too big. Damn. Or we might not get the resistor out. No, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Not unless I find my chainsaw. Do we? Anyway, let's go set you up and then we'll come back and get the saw. Okay, don't mind the mess over there. Go ahead and turn your speakers down or your headphones down, whatever you're listening on, because we're getting ready to fix this up and it doesn't have a resistor in it. I just remembered that. So go ahead and do what you gotta do. Cause it's gonna get loud. Or not. This ain't been cranked in too long. fingers. My fingers are tingling. Ow. But anyway, I told you she's a freak train when she don't get cranked in a long time. Anyway, we gotta go cut some trees. Well, some brush. And I really don't feel like taking the camera everywhere I go. So, we'll go do that. And, well, it's just little stuff. I guess I can take it down there. Just be patient. We'll see in a minute. Okay. It's nothing too extravagant. But my granny wants it down, so we gotta go cut it down. And no, not that big old thing right there. I'm talking about that little bitty tree. Right there. Not this little part right here, but we're gonna cut it about right here. And we'll see a timber. Well, I guess you can. Oh! That was almost easy as hitting the easy button for Staples. Holy crap. Now, you gotta take it off. Oh, lovely. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the garden here. Well, garden. And it appears good. The onions look like they like it there. Broccoli. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Just them lettuce plants don't look too good, which is these white ones. The white ones are the lettuce ones. But anyway. That sure looks a lot better without that big old thing there. Holy crap. Well, you can see it now. Before and after. Oh! But anyway. Yeah. Got a package coming today. And yeah. It's gonna be awesome. Video will be up. Yep. Video will be up when it comes. This little weird sticking out there, but it'll work. And, you probably seen something black on my hip when I went and cut the tree. Yeah, we'll have to make another video of that. But it'll be up though. So, anyways, until that page comes, you'll see an unboxing with that, and you'll see it on this too. So, until that next time, we'll see you. Get more tubes. Here, wake old man up. He's still asleep over there. Hey, old man. What are you doing? Turned the camera around and he woke up. You sleep good, Bubba's? Did you sleep good? Good boy. Come on. What? He's nice and warm. It's foggy today. Holy crap. Anyway, the reason I putting this out there is the other day I had that well, the video's processing right now, but I forgot to put this part on it because I got disturbed yesterday. And anyway, that last part there said about the video, about the package I got coming in. Let's just say I didn't do an unboxing because it's shit, and it's going back I'm mailing it back out today. There's a suction cup for the tripod, for the camera here to put on the dashboard. I got on Amazon for $8, and it don't work. Everything works on it but the suction cup. Yep. I mean, I went over there to put it on. It wouldn't suction to nothing but the glass instead of the dash camera mount. Yeah. Okay. And I thought about putting Velcro on my dashboard and then just using that, but I'm about to be trading in cars, and I don't want that sticky residue all over the dashboard. So that's why I didn't do that. But another thing came in the mail the other day, but it's personal, so, well, kind of personal. I can tell you what it is, but I can't show you. I'm kind of on the weird side when it comes to stuff. Cause I like give abbreviations instead of saying the real thing. So like, for the East Coast, they have them on the West Coast. But anyway, you know, like Cracker Barrel and Walmart and all that good stuff. Let's say for Cracker Barrel, I say CB, and for Walmart, I say WW. And, well, I got a CC. No, I didn't get no concealed carry permit. I got something different. Let's just put it this way. If I use it, I have to pay it back. To give you a hint? Okay, good. Yeah, he's happy. He's out. The door was wide open. As you seen when I started the video, the door was wide open. Oh well. But we do have some good stuff coming in, though. Package coming in. Well, sometime soon. I don't know when yet. Because I just checked it all ago. It's not processed yet. It's still processing or pending processing or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I guess we can go up here to the shop and show you. Well, I'll tell you what it's for. Been having some trouble with the fuel line. Well, not fuel line, but the tractor itself. Well, lawnmower, if you want to call it. When it fires up, it kind of spits. So, I ordered a fuel line filter. I could have went to the store and got one, but I had to order some more stuff, so I might as well just order it from there. And got that and a brake line. A brake pad. Because yesterday I was we're going to pay a shop anyway. I'll just show you. Yesterday I had a big load of gravel. And I didn't think the brakes were that bad. Apparently they are. I about rolled that son of a bitch backwards and rolled it on me. Almost. I didn't, but I almost did. But that'd be a fun thing to put on, and a freaking brake pad on that. It'll clean the battery terminal. Anyway, that's that, and the brake pad, and I'll show you the fuel thing. There you go. That little white thing right there, that's the fuel thing. So that and the big thing. There's a big thing. One of those grass catchers putting on the back of here. They don't go on the trailer, they go on the back of the lawnmower. They hook up down there. And this big old thing goes around and it hooks into it. Yeah, that'd be a fun thing to put it on. That water's black. You can tell I've been beating the hell out of these things. Holy crap. Anyway, that's that. So, this little clip I'm making now is the end of the video. So I had been making several different clips. Just couldn't get it all done. Anyway, everybody have a good one, and probably won't have a video up next, another video up next until the package gets here. Because I know y'all want to see that big, humongous unboxing of the stuff. It may be a little box, it may be a big box with all this in there, I don't know. We won't know until we get it. So, until then, I guess we just have to keep watching his videos and doing other things. There may be another video, I don't know, but then, you can never tell. Anyway, y'all have a good, and we'll catch you later, and stay tuned for the other video, and don't forget to hit that like button, and comment, and what's the other one? Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button too, while you at it. It'll help me and you out. See all my crazy video updates